Hello everyone, good evening. I am the reporter of Group 11 who tackle about Chapter 10, the non-routine operating decisions, where the main topic is the indifference point. So, in business decision making, managers often faced with two or more alternatives. Yes, each alternative has own costs, revenues, and potential profits. In some point, indifference point is a tool or analysis that to make the right choice for management accountants to compare the outcomes of these alternatives. Okay? Well, where that alternative is state of financial resorts, such as profit, costs, or compensations. But in this case, indifference point, that alternatives, the two alternatives, are exactly the same or have the same result. Kani siya nga topic, maoray ka ng alternative nga same route, same old result. As what it stated, indifference point, whatever decision in managers, the results are equal. Indifference point is where the outcome of alternatives is the same. So regardless of choice the manager makes, kasi asa pa itong alternative ang iyang piliun, still, he will arrive at the same profit or so whatever alternative decision he chooses, again, the results are still the same. And indifference point is a point of equality between two alternatives. It represents the sales volume or activity level where both options result in the same profit or cost. So in this case, kung same na sila, the difference between revenues and costs for both alternatives are the same. Okay? And a manager cannot gain or lose by choosing either alternative. Kaya nga nung hindi siya maka-gain or lose, kay actually same naman sila of result. So whether asa yung piliun ato, more di pa resulta. In simpler terms, indifference point is whatever decision the manager makes, the results will always be equal. The result will be equal. But indifference point is a decision-making guide for managers who use it. They use these tools or analysis to identify when a change in strategy becomes profitable or asa atong alternative ang mas profitable. Yes. And also, manager use it to compare fixed and variable components of cost or compensation, and they also use it to evaluate sales commission plans, lease versus decision or production alternatives. So, pa na to sample. Okay. Examples of indifference point. This is the scenario. Char Motors employs 30 sales personnel to market and office equipment. The average equipment sells for $350,000 and the company is currently paying 8% commission to its salesperson. It is considering a scheme of paying its salespersons a flat rate of $7,000 per month plus 1 commission on sales made. What is the amount of sales that would produce the same total compensation paid to salesperson? Okay, I'm sorry. In the problem, in our PPT, nasayop niya siya og ng type. So, dili na siya 1%. It is considering a scheme of paying its salesperson a flat rate of 7,000 per month plus 3% commission on sales made. So, 3% niya siya. Dili na siya 1 po. Please go note. It states here that profit 1 is equal to profit 2. Computations are the break-even point, shutdown point, economic order quantity, and internal rate of return. A special application of indifference point is to be discussed of me. So, let's proceed to the next slide. But before that, ato sa sagtunan ang problem. So, the company currently pays its salesperson under commissions plan number 1, which is kaning 8% commission on total sales. However, the company is considering in commission plan 2. The alternative 1 is 8% ang commission. And in alternative 2, a flat salary of 7,000 per month per salesperson plus 3 commission on total. So let's see if same ba sila ang results. Okay. Our objective in this indifferent points is we need to determine the amount of sales because that's the indifference point where the total compensation under both plans is the same, under both alternative is the same. So now let's proceed to the next slide. Let X as a unit sold and 350k is the total sales. So commission 1 is 8%, commission 2 is 3% na siya guys, hindi na siya 1. So now In plan commission 1, the 8%. Ang commission 1, 8% sa 350k. 8% sa 350k kay 28,000. In commission, na sila 8% na commission na total on sales. Again, we have two commission plans for sales people. Natay commission 1, which is ang 8% commission total sales. And commission 2, katong 8%, katong 3% na commission plus katong 7,000 per month. So, ato sa kwentahon ang kaning plan number 1 or commission number 1. So, each unit nag-equip sales for 350. So, if they sell 6, so 350 times X, which is ang units, is equals to 350,000 X. Actually, dali ra ang pagkuha sa commission 1. Kwan ra, like, ang 8% ra sila, 8% 350k mo na ang ma-earn sa sales people or commission nila na makuha. Mo to ang 28,000. Arita sa commission number 2. So, diba, they earn 7,000 per month. Salary. 7,000 per month ang salary plus 3% nga commission on total sales. So, if there are people, if there are 30 sales people, the total fixed cost niya to ang commission 2, kay, ang kaning 7,000, fixed na nila sila nga, like, stable na ba mo, naging na siya ang ilahan ng per month. So, fixed na siya daan. That's why it's called fixed cost. So, if there are 30 salesperson, the total fixed cost is 7,000 times 30 is equals to 210. So, 210 ang ilahang, 210 nilang salary per month. Sa tanan na siya. Kay each 7,000 man, then there are 30 people, so 210. And also, they get 3% commission on total sales. So, 3% times 350 is equals to 10,500 man na ilahang commission. Again, 3% times 350 is equals to 210. Ay, 10,500 plus 210 nga katong salary, monthly salary. Anyways, para mas masabtan, let's have a computation na lang. Mag-computa. For a while lang. And for plan 2, kay 7,000 nga per month nila, per person, plus 3% nga commission on sales. So, para to solve, ang X, ang number units of sold, 350k, let's X number unit of sold, then 350k selling price per unit, diba? Manang gikuan sa problem. Let's solve the commission number 1 or calculate it. So, 8% commission on sales commission on sales every per equipment kay 350 man. So, dito ra, 8% times 350, kaning X stands for unit na siya is equals to 280,000 X. Man na siya commission sa number 1. Commission 1,000 plus 3% of commission on sale. So, 3% sa commission on sales nga 350 kay 10,500. And then for the ring na 210k 10,000 na siya is because 7,000 per person man. Pero per month per person, 'di ba? But 30 man to ka sales person. So 7,000 times 30 is equals to 210. Now, let's solve for the commission 1 and 2 and then solve for X na sad. So, for commission 1 to 80, commission 2, 210 plus 10,500. So, again, this one, kani siya, reciprocate na, i-require na siya, i-distribute, mahimo na siyang negative 10,500, and then equals to 210,000. Then, 280 minus 10 is equals to 17,500. Divide. So, equals X is equals to 12. But, sa libro, ang gihatag kay 10 units. So, that means 10 to 12 units ang maproduce sa ani nga. Since 10 units ang gihatag sa libro, so selling price nga 350 times 10 is equals to 3,500,000 ang total sales. So to confirm, commission 1 8 nga balance silang duha, ang commission 1 ug commission 2, ang duha ka alternative. So 8% times 3.5 is equals to 280. And kaning 2%, diba 3 man na out of it, nganong 2% na siya. That's because ang 2% diha nag-stay na siya og 7,000. Kay 7,000 2% sa sales nga ilahang sa moto ilahang salary nga 7,000. So 2% times 350 is equals to 7,000. So again, 7,000 times 3.5 plus 210 is equals to 280,000. Lastly, when total sales equals to 3.5 million, both commissions 1 and 2 is the result same total compensation. Kasi asara na same ra if 3.5 lang ang total sales. But if below sa 3.5, mas prefer ang commission number 2. Kay more advantages siya since below but ang iyahang way of salary is base na. Advantage since base fixed na ang iyahang salary na stability. And if ang sales mo exceed of 3.5 million, that means more kuha na siya kana greater pay, greater total pay. Dako man ninyo ang sales and also mo increase ang inyong productivity. So that's all for indifferent points.